Welcome to 107 Southern Pine Road. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a rear deck and bonus room is located in the Legion Lake subdivision in Northeast Columbia. Convenient to I-20, Fort Jackson, great dining and shopping in Sandhills, and the Richland District 2 schools. So we're out front now in the front yard. You can see there's a nice sized driveway leading up to a 2-car garage. The window you see above the garage is a bonus room or frog. You can see the sidewalk leading around to the covered front porch here, just up a few steps. Alright, so as we step inside, get some more light for you here. So you notice there's some beautiful natural colored real hardwood flooring in the foyer. It also continues into the formal dining room that's right off of the foyer as well. You have beautiful crown molding and chair rail molding in here as well. There's a side light beside the front door as well as one over the top. Since we're on this side, we'll go ahead and show you the bedrooms that are over here instead of crossing and coming back. So you have, these are the 2 additional bedrooms in addition to the master. So this one has nice high ceilings and a ceiling fan, large window facing the front of the house, and then a standard size closet behind 2 bifold doors. There's a nice bathroom here in between those 2 bedrooms. So you have an updated vanity, mirror, and lighting in here. Shower and tub, nice window above the tub letting in some natural light. And then you have some laminate hardwood or sort of that vinyl style flooring in here that sort of mimics wood but very durable, and nice underfoot as well. And then the 3rd bedroom in the house. Large window looking out to the side, and forgot to get this closet open for you. But you can see pretty much the same as in the bedroom right on the other side of the bath. So now into the main living space. You can see there's a large living room or family room here with vaulted ceilings. There's a ceiling fan. You have the sort of French doors going out to the back deck. There's a wood burning fireplace here as well. Your master is right off of the room, right off the living room there. Go ahead and take a look here outside quickly. So you can see nice sized wood deck at the back of the house. Sort of looks out over the backyard. Backyard is not fenced, sort of backs up to some sort of trees and stuff there. Kind of a shared common sort of space in the middle here where a lot of backyards sort of meet in this middle area, but nice. Seems nice and quiet back here, but fortunately you'll want to come check it out during different times of the day to check for yourself as well. So back inside, so you have a large kitchen. You have a huge eat-in dining area here in the kitchen. 2 large picture windows, or sort of 2 sets of 2 windows that create a square. You have tile flooring here throughout the kitchen. And actually, as I touch that, that is just vinyl. So, but does mimic tile. Looks nice. So you have granite countertops in here as well. Has stainless steel appliances. There's a French door refrigerator with the drawer freezers, a dishwasher here as well, and then you have a in the counter smooth top electric range and stove there. Nice lighting in here as well. And then in this corner also you have a walk-in pantry, sort of back corner shelving, and then a nice window over the sink there as well. And this beautiful island here in the center. And then off the kitchen, back in the corner here, you have a coat closet. This is on the way to the garage as well. Then you have your laundry room in here, full-size washer and dryer connections, and that kitchen flooring sort of continues into here. All right, and then on this side we have the 2-car garage. Down a couple of steps here. As of now, there is an automatic opener, and it sort of has the pegboards along the walls. So you can, and there's a number of hooks and nails and stuff in there already, but it's kind of that adaptable system where you can hang different items or kind of create an organizational system in the garage. So that's already kind of there for you to use if you'd like to. And then on this side also, again, the access to the frog or the bonus room over the garage is via this small hall as well. So you can see in here a ceiling fan, very nice sized room. Could use it for a 4th bedroom, office, playroom, just additional living space as well. Den, recreation room, whatever you like. And then there's some attic storage here that the light's not on in there, but Goes back about 6 or so feet, feet wide, just for some attic storage. And then last but not least, we'll cross over the house again and take a look at the master suite. So right on the way to it, kind of in an alcove here off the living room, you have another coat closet for some extra storage. Into the master, on our left, there is a walk-in closet, ample hanging space and shelving there. There's an attic pull down. I believe there may be some storage up there as well. And then in the master, you have the sort of vaulted ceiling going up and ceiling fan here also. Window looking out to what looks like the back of the house, I believe. Sort of, yeah, the back. And then beautiful master bathroom here. Beautiful tile flooring in here. Granite countertops as well. You have double vanities and the updated mirror and lighting there. Behind the door, there's a linen closet, as you can see there. And then beautiful walk-in shower, also tiled as well. You have a rain shower head and an additional handheld on the wall. And then also nice garden tub there, smaller sort of garden tub. Beautiful window above, and then you have a private lavatory or commode there as well. There's even a window in there for you. So that completes our tour of this home. Lovely home in the, again, Legion Lakes subdivision, sort of inside of Lansdowne if you're coming from, I believe, Rain Road. But in Northeast Columbia, you can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can also give us a call at 803-407-8522.